It's day 16 of Vlogmas. We're going to do what I eat in a day, plus I'm going to share a few of my favorite low point snacks that I've had at Weight Watchers to help me lose over 100 pounds. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day and some low point snack suggestions for Weight Watchers, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today is Vlogmas Day 16. We are going to do what I eat in a day. Plus, I'm going to share with you a few of my favorite snacks that I have that are low point, and maybe you'll get some ideas and low point snacks that you could have on the WW program. You like my Santa shirt? See, there's Santa and there's my shirt. Don't stop believing. After dinner, I will share with you some of my favorite Weight Watchers snacks. So be sure to watch to the end of the video. If you'd like to see what I eat in a day and some of my favorite snacks, come on along and share the day with me. For breakfast this morning, I'm going to make some sausage gravy to go along with my eggs from yesterday. I'm using this fully cooked turkey sausage crumbles. I'm going to brown about 1/4 cup in the pan. And I'll cook those until they get browned. Then once that is heated through, I'll add a tablespoon of flour and coat the sausage. And I'm going to add some salt and pepper. And then I'm going to add 1/4 cup of the less fat milk. Then I'm going to put it on top of my toast. And there's my breakfast. It's going to be 5 points for the sausage gravy and toast and 1 point for the eggs. So that's going to be a 6-point breakfast. And then I'll have an iced coffee for 1 point with that. So that's my breakfast this morning. This is what I had for dinner. I didn't have lunch today because I went out for the day. And I just put some Costco meatballs in the slow cooker. So I'm having 4 meatballs on a 1-point bun with 1 point worth of mozzarella cheese. So that sandwich is 10 points and then 3 points for the fries. So that's 13 points for dinner, but I didn't have lunch. Here's a snack I make out of hard-boiled eggs. I take 3 eggs and I combine the yolk with 1 to 2 points of I use light Miracle Whip. You can use mayonnaise. You mix it with a little mustard. I use some celery powder and salt and pepper. And then I restuff it in the eggs and sprinkle it with paprika. And that is only a 2-point snack. If I want to use less Miracle Whip, it's only a 1-point snack. But that is a great way to get protein in. It's tasty, and you're using nice, easy, hard-boiled eggs. Sometimes for a snack, I like to cut up some peppers, red or green, and I put some light cream cheese on them. And then I sprinkle some everything but the bagel seasoning. And I do that, and it is a nice crunchy snack, and it's only 2 points worth of light cream cheese. One idea I like to have for a snack is I cut up an apple, and I sprinkle 2 tablespoons of peanut butter powder on that. It works out good shaking it in a baggie like this. You get the apples all covered with the peanut butter powder. No mess. And there you have the apples with peanut butter for 1 point. Another thing to do with apples is I slice an apple up real thin, and then I will drizzle some of this sugar-free caramel sundae syrup over the top. And that is a caramel apple snack. I'm going to line up 10 pieces of turkey pepperoni, and then I'm going to microwave it for about 30 to 40 seconds. and make some turkey pepperoni chips. That is a good snack to have. There's an idea for a crispy snack. See, they crunch up and you can nibble on them, and that is 1 point. I'm having a 1 point fudgicle for a dessert. So that's going to wrap up my What I Eat in a Day video, Vlogmas Day 16. Please comment below on any of your favorite snack ideas that you use on the Weight Watcher program. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.